This life that I live has took me everywhere. There ain't no place I ain't never gone. But it's kinda like the saying that you heard so many times. Well, there just ain't no place like home. Did you ever see a she-gator protect her youngs, or fish in a river swimming free? Did you ever see the beauty of the hills of Carolina, or the sweetness of the grass in Tennessee? And Lord, I can't make any changes. All I can do is write them in a song. Yes, but I can see the concrete slowly creeping. Lord, take me in mind before that comes. Like to see a mountain stream a-flowing? Do you like to see a young'un with his dog? Did you ever stop and think about, well, the air you're breathing? Well, you better listen to my song. And Lord, I can't make any changes. All I can do is write them in a song. Yes, but I can see the concrete slowly creeping. Lord, take me in mind before that comes. I'm not trying to put down no big city, but the things they write about us are just a bore. You can take a boy out of old Dixieland, Lord, but you'll never take old Dixie from a boy. And Lord, I can't make any changes. All I can do is write them in a song. Yes, but I can see the concrete slowly creeping. Lord, take me in mind before that comes.